How to remove saved login details in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin app on your device and make sure you are on the login screen. To remove saved login details, tap the three horizontal lines to open the app switcher. Then swipe up to close the app completely. Once the app is closed this way, it will remove all the saved login details. You can also clear the app data manually by going to your device settings, then Apps or Application Manager, find Fire Kirin and select Clear Data or Clear Cache. Keep in mind, this will delete all app data, so make sure you have your login credential backed up before doing this. After clearing saved data, the app will no longer remember your login details and you will need to sign in with Facebook or as a guest manually the next time. This method is useful if you want to switch accounts or keep your login information private. Now you know how to remove saved login details in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.